Okay. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new, which you most likely are, and if you are, hit subscribe. I don't make the rules, you just gotta do it. Today I am talking all about my favorite slash go-to pieces for the fall time. I am a curvier, like mid-sized body, so it's really hard for me to find things that make me confident and make me feel good and keep me warm at the same time. So I kind of wanted to go through a few items that are like go-to and have been go-to for a very long time. So let's get on into it. The first item is this dress from American Eagle. It's a denim dress. It has this like round, like 70s kind of like inspired buckle. This whole dress is like 70s inspired. It's really cute. It actually gonna look cute with a sweater. I bought it last winter. They have one currently selling that's the same kind of style, but with a, I think it's a square buckle, but it's really cute. It's not stretchy at all, so I got it in an extra large because I have a larger chest and it fits perfectly. It's honestly so comfortable. I've worn it on planes, I've worn it on like dates, I've worn it literally everywhere. So it's an amazing dress and it's so comfortable, and it's from American Eagle, so it's relatively affordable, and I find that it's really high quality. This is definitely one of the more high quality pieces I've bought from them. So I would definitely keep a lookout for denim dresses. Love those. Anyways, the next item is cardigans. This cardigan is literally the same color as this sweater. This is my favorite color. I love forest green. But this cardigan is also from American Eagle. Like literally everything is from American Eagle. Let's not lie to ourselves. It is in a size large, and it is a long line, thin kind of cardigan. I really like it for just lounging around, but also like putting over turtlenecks and stuff like that. It's really great. It's a great layering piece, and again, semi-affordable, especially when they have sales. Yeah, it's also a really cute color and has pockets, so we stan. Next, I have this chenille sweater. Cozy knits are something that I am obsessed with. This is a very cute knit. I got this in a size large and it's cropped, but it's really cute and can be dressed up or dressed down as well, which I really like. So having just like a white chunky knit is always a go-to for me, just because it looks good, it feels good, and it's honestly just such a versatile item. Next is a cropped cardigan. This cropped cardigan is also from American Eagle. I bought it a while ago, but it's really cute. It has like a tapered wrist, and I just tuck the front into some jeans. I usually just wear it as a shirt, but you can definitely wear like a tank top underneath it and have it be super cute. But my go-to for this one is just making it like an oversized shirt. It's in an extra large, so it does fit oversized, and it's just really cute, and honestly just gives you such a good look. Like, I don't know. Next is just a regular sweatshirt. I love sweatshirts. They're so comfortable and they're great to kind of to layer, but also just wear on their own and wear as pajamas. These are amazing, and I wear this one all the time. It's also from American Eagle, and it's in an extra large. So it's quite oversized, but it's honestly just such a nice color and a really great transitional color. I bought this in the summer and I wear it now, and it still fits my wardrobe perfectly. So I highly suggest like getting a crew neck sweater, because they are literally like, they are the best of the best. They are the most amazing staple item to have in your wardrobe at all times. Next is graphic tees. I have this Led Zeppelin one that I bought at Hot Topic, I think. And it's super oversized. It's an extra large men's, I think. It shrank a lot in the wash, but it's still oversized enough where it does its job. But wearing these with blue jeans and either a sweater over top or even a turtleneck underneath, it's not a look that I've done yet, but something that I want to try is to wear this with like a white turtleneck underneath. I think it could be really edgy and cool. Graphic tees are always a great staple because some days are obviously warmer than others, and also they're great layering pieces. So I highly suggest picking up some kind of graphic tee. This is from Led Zeppelin because I like Led Zeppelin, so one that's like relevant to you is always a good idea, because then it's a cool talking point. If people are like, you like Led Zeppelin, I can be like, yeah. Not that I talk to many new people at all because quarantine, but you know. Next I have a denim jacket. This one is distressed, but this is honestly such a great piece because it's cropped, it's distressed, it's casual, but can really edge up an outfit, and I really like it. And like, I got it in 2 sizes too big. It's an extra large, so I can layer quite a few items under here without it being uncomfortable. So denim jackets are a huge go-to in the fall. Next I've got plaid pants. Plaid pants are awesome. They are literally like so great because they make an outfit look so much more professional and they just look so good. I find these ones so flattering. They're from American Eagle. They have a paper bag waist, which is like super bunched up here. I bought them last winter, and honestly, like, I love wearing this with like a white or a black turtleneck. Typically white because I like the contrast, but this with turtlenecks, honestly, it gives like also dark, it gives like dark academia vibes, which I'm so for. And it's also just like a really great staple piece. You can always wear them. They are great for professional events or just for hanging out. Next, I've got this awesome pair of distressed jeggings. They are high-waisted in the Dream Jean from American Eagle, and they feel so good. They're so comfy and have this awesome distressing all over them, which adds ventilation and also just looks cool. So it's fashionable, it's practical on days where it's like too cold or too hot to wear like full pants. These are a great in-between option that are not shorts because it's too cold to wear shorts, and also I hate wearing shorts. I meant to add turtlenecks in this, just like any kind of turtleneck, but they're all in the wash. But black and white turtlenecks especially are a huge go-to for me in the winter and in the fall. They're like my uniform. I love them, so I highly suggest those as well. But yeah, those are kind of like my staple items in my wardrobe right now. I hope they kind of helped you gauge some like necessities that you might feel like you need for the fall and winter seasons, because dressing at any season is always so complicated, but fall is my favorite season, so I feel like I have to dress extra well. These are kind of some items that I keep to do so. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave it a thumbs up and subscribe down below for more mid-size fashion videos, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!